Right, so you've acquired your new Baron forced action mixer for use in the resin bound industry. There's some key parts that you need to make sure you're aware of on the machine to ensure safety and reliability of the machine moving forward and to elongate the life of your machine. So your lid's locked in place with the positioning bolt here. When you release the positioning bolt, it releases the lid and then locks back in place so it doesn't fall down. When you receive your Baron mixer, it will be fixed with the blades onto the mixer head. Each blade, although firmly tightened in place, may have moved during the transportation process, and it would be advisable to just check that all the nuts and bolts are tight and your blades are set between 3 and 5 mil of your drum, ensuring a self-cleaning action. The head can be lifted easily from the machine for replacement of blades or cleaning purposes. As you can see, we've got a top nut of the drive shaft here. This can be removed by removing the 2 grub screws located on the front. It's coated in a lithium based grease, and that's just for ease of movement of the head so that you're not getting stuck on there. We recommend that you grease that on a weekly to monthly basis. So before you use your mixer, you'll need to close the lid, as the lid switch will enable the motor to be engaged. When the lid's closed, you can then turn your mixer on at the main switch and start to load your mixer. Never load the mixer and then turn it on. This will cause too much load and could cause your electrics to blow, causing the need for replacement. When your mixer has the lid closed and it's now ready to start, you can open the safety switch there and engage the machine with the green button with a single press. To stop the machine in an emergency, hit the switch. When you receive your Baron forced action mixer, you'll notice it's got a 32 amp lead. This is because it requires power output of 5 kVA or above. So when picking your transformer, ensure it's a 5 kVA or above for your generator. The input is the large input on there. Don't ever be tempted to reduce the size of this plug, as your mixer will not run properly. So your Baron machine will be equipped with a trapdoor to remove the material from your machine. When you're emptying your mixer, your lid will be down, the blades will be turning, the trapdoor will be open with your lined barrow underneath ready to go. You've also got an outlet protection. This is for your own safety, so don't be tempted to remove that for ease of flow. If you just leave the machine, the material will flow out of its own accord. The only time you should remove this is for cleaning purposes, and then reattach it to the machine immediately after.